Hi guys, on this video we are going to show you how to do a print and cut on Cricut Design Space and using our 3G Jet Opaque. First you will need to download the image to your computer. Once you have downloaded the image, you will need to open your design space. You are going to add new project. You're going to go to upload. You're going to open up the file where you put your image. As you see here, we chose Isabel from Animal Crossing just to quickly show you guys how to do it. You are going to click on everything you don't want on your print and cut. So here she clicked on the background. She's going to click preview. You saw there was a little line bar at the bottom. So she's going to go back and clean it up here. Once you have cleaned up all your image, you are going to press save. Once you clicked on everything, I quickly just press preview to make sure there's nothing else in the area. Then I go to next. Here on the left, here's where it's important, guys. On the left, it will say print and cut, and on the right it will be just cut. As you see, it will just be a silhouette if you choose to just cut. So make sure you click on the left side where it says print and cut. Then you click save. And as you see, it will be uploaded with the rest of your images. All right, so for our print and cut today, we have actually downloaded a image of a Corona Christmas tree. So as you see here, I'm going to go back to that one just because that one was a little easier for me to do. We're going to go back to that. We are going to upload that Christmas tree. We are going to size it. The sizing of our printable 3G Jet Opaque, I believe it's 8.5 by 11. So you have to make sure that your image is inside within that area. And as you see here, I just did the tree, not the letters. This is how it's telling me it's going to do. I send it to print. Here I'm taking it out of my printer. Here's my little coronavirus Christmas tree. Now we are going to put it on our mat. You have to put it really, really close, almost perfect. You have to make sure that your Cricut is calibrated. Now what it's going to do, we are going to put it in our Cricut. Now what it's going to do, the little lights that you are going to see, that's the machine trying to detect our image. So see the light? It's looking for the little black marks around the whole image. Once it does this to all corners, it's going to go on every single side. Once it does that, once it detects all the 4 lines, it kind of tells it, okay, I know where the Christmas tree is at, and now I'm going to go and cut around it. This is calibrating your machine. And once you calibrate it, once it does prints and cuts, it's very, very close to the image. It's very, very good. So see, our machine has found it. It's going to start cutting. And we'll be right back after it's done cutting. Here is our final image. It has been cut. Now what we're going to do is we are going to try, and very carefully, because remember 3G Jet Opaque is very, very thin, is another thing that we like, because it almost seems like it's melted into the shirt, like kind of like ink infused. It's I really like it. I call it our cheat sheet, because this way you don't have to layer all those colors on it, and as you see it's a lot easier. So for our 3G Jet Opaque, you have to be very careful peeling it off so you won't rip it. And when you do it in one big silhouette like this tree, it's easier to do. Also, now we are going to press it on a white shirt, and the settings for the 3G Jet Opaque is 350 degrees for 30 seconds. So I'm going to go press this on a shirt. I'll be back. All right, here I am. I pressed it. And then I went back and I did the letters with Caesar, as you can see. So I added the words underneath. But here it is. It feels really, really nice. And it's kind of, see, like I said, it doesn't give you a border. And the settings on this was very good. As you can see, the colors are very vibrant. Again, give it a try, guys. So this is our 3G Jet Opaque. And if you have any questions, let us know. We do have our contact button up.